Hello, my name is Theo.
Yeah.
Look at the bird. Look at the bird's beak. It is a long or short. Look at the bird's legs. Are they long or short? The bird is dark. No, it is not a stork. What color is it? What color is the bird's beak?
Yeah.
It is in the sky. The sky is blue. Can you see the clouds? They are white. Can you see the cloud? It is 3 o'clock in the afternoon. The sun is shining. It is very hot. The bird is very hot and very tired. It is looking for some water. The bird is looking down. What can you see? It can see the trees and houses. Is that a river? There is water in a river. No, it is not a river. It is a lake. There is no water. The bird is very hot and very tired. The bird is looking up. What can you see? It can see the sea. Look at the sea. Look at the ship. There is water in the sea. There is cannot drink it.
The bird
is cannot drink it. There is sea is soft. The bird is very hot and tired. Bye bye.